Good morning, people. So quick update on my Faceless Flipping account. This morning I posted a video. I'm just going to show you here. So I'm up here on the Gentle Vibe, Ebbsy Loves Cozy. And as you can see here, my video I posted this up about hour and a half ago, and it's had 268 views. Okay, so this one here has got 419 views. So as you can see, the account started growing a bit more. So these ones had four views, as you can see, 4 views, then 267, 255, 27, 419, 264. So, you know, at the moment, TikTok is finding out where you are, you know. Basically, they're judging you in a way on what type of content you're creating and putting you out there to the right type of crowd. So they're checking you out. Now, we've had quite a few successful people using Faceless Flipping, and you know, if you want to stick around, you'll be able to watch the testimonials just after this video. But how this is going for me, this is going really great. So I've had this account, for 7 days. So I'm going to message the group now, like they tell you to do, so then they can come in and take a look, do a few tweaks, and then see if they can get you pushed out a bit more. Okay, so on that note, guys, I'm going to leave you with these testimonials to check out for yourself.
Afternoon, Bruce here, and a message for Faceless Flipping and Paul. Merry Christmas is the first one. Second one being my first start of the show video. You won't believe this. 101,000 views and 400 extra followers in one day. Boom. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. Afternoon, Bruce here, and a message for Faceless Flipping and Paul. Merry Christmas is the first one. Second one being my first start of the show video. You won't believe this. 101,000 views and 400.
There, this is Clayton, and I'm honored to be a part of this Faceless Flipping community. I've been here 11 days now. I'm really new, and I didn't know what to expect and didn't know what was going to happen, but I just knew that I was told to follow the daily mode of operation. So I did that. It was really easy, though valuable. It's really easy. And I was done with, you know, a video in a matter of minutes. And plus, I've never really been on TikTok. I mean, I dipped my toe in it a couple times, but there was nothing there for me to do. So with Faceless Flipping, they were showing me how to create a viral video with TikTok. And in the last 48 hours, I have been blown away because I did have a video that went viral, 80,000 plus viewers and just under 650 followers. And I've never seen that. I'm just blown away, and I just know this is the beginning. So Paul Lynch, thank you. You have given us valuable training, yet very simple training in something that takes just a few minutes to do a day. And I'm grateful for that. Thank you. You are the boss.